JK Mathematics classes. Today I will discuss class 9 maths chapter 1 polynomials introduction. So new NCERT book. So polynomial, first discuss algebraic expression. Algebraic expression. So for example, a constant and variable. Constant and variable combine together by four operation means positive, negative, into and divide. Four operation plus, minus, into and divide form an algebraic expression. So for example, two x square minus 3 by 2 x plus 1 root over in under root of 2x plus 1 x minus 1 by x minus 2, and suppose 2x square plus 3x plus 2 etc. are the algebraic expression. Again polynomials. An algebraic expression have only whole numbers, that means non-negative integers, whole numbers, as the exponent of variable, exponents of variable are called polynomials. For example, x cube minus x square plus 4x plus 7. Again, x square plus 2x plus 1, x cube, suppose x plus 1, etc. So polynomials, kinds of polynomials. So there are two types of polynomials: terms of based on terms and based on degree. So constant into variable form a term. So constant and variable combine together by constant into variable form a term. So form terms. So based on terms, so single terms, that means only one terms, and polynomial having only one term, that means single term, is called monomial. Second part. So two term form quadratic polynomial. Binomial. Two terms form binomial, and polynomial having three terms called trinomial. So monomial constant into variable form a term, and based on term, so single term and polynomial having single term is called monomial, and suppose two terms form a binomial and three terms and trinomial. So for example, monomial only one terms, for example 2x minus 3x square root 2x etc. are monomial, and binomial having two terms, polynomial having two terms is called binomial. So 2x square plus 1, x square plus 2 etc. Again, trinomial means a polynomial having three terms. So here x cube plus 2x plus 1, 2x square minus 4x plus 3 etc. So a polynomial having three terms called trinomial. Trinomial, again coefficient. Again coefficient, coefficient coefficient. So constant are the coefficient, constant are the coefficient of a term of the polynomial. Constant are the coefficient of a term of the polynomial. That means raised part of an term is called coefficient of the polynomial. So for example, x cube minus x cube plus 4x square plus 7x minus 2. So constant term can be written as, suppose 2, written as 2 into x square. So in variable x, suppose 2 also written as 2 into y to the power 0 in variable y. So any to the power 0 is always 1. So here minus x cube plus 4x square plus 7x minus 2. It has 4 terms. It has 4 terms. These are minus x cube, 4x square, 7x and minus 2. So coefficient of x cube is minus 1. So coefficient of x square is 4. Coefficient of 7x is 7, and coefficient of x to the power coefficient of x cube is minus 1. Coefficient of x square, that means in terms minus x cube, so raised part is minus 1. Again coefficient of x square, so here 4x square terms, so here remaining part, that means raised part is 4, so coefficient 4. Again 7x term, in 7x term, so coefficient of x is 7, so raised part is, that means constant is 7, so 7. Again coefficient of x to the power 0, that means constant term, is minus 2. Again 0 polynomial. Again 0 polynomial. 0 polynomial. When all the constant of a polynomial, when all the constant of a polynomial, constant of a polynomial are 0. So 0 is called a zero is called a zero polynomial. 0 is called a zero polynomial. Next, constant polynomial. So all constant are the constant polynomial. So constant have degree 0. So degree of 0. Suppose constant polynomial. So constant polynomial. All the non-zero constant are constant polynomial. So it is the polynomial. Of degree. It is the polynomial of degree 0. It is the polynomial of degree 0, like 3, minus 8, 3, minus 8, 7, 10, etc. are the constant polynomial. So is 0. Suppose 5 can be written as suppose constant polynomial 5 can be written as 5x to the power 0, that means any to the power 0, 1. So 5y to the power 0 and 5z to the power 0 means x, y and z variable. So etc. Again next, so degree of 0 is not defined. Degree of 0 is not defined. So degree of constant is 0 and degree of 0 is not defined. Okay, next, degree. So highest powers of the variable is called degree. So degree, highest power of variable, highest powers of variable is called the degree of polynomial. Is called the degree of polynomial. For example, x cube x to the power 7, 3x to the power 7 minus 4x to the power 6 plus x plus 3 is, so degree of this is 7. So highest powers of variable is called a degree of polynomial. So for example, 3x to the power 7 minus 4x to the power 6 plus x plus 3 has a degree 7. Again, based on degree, there are 3 terms. So degree, suppose 1. So 1 degree polynomial is called linear polynomial. 1 degree polynomial is called linear polynomial. Its standard form is ax plus b, where a not equal to 0. Again example, for example, so 2x plus 1 minus x plus 2, etc. Again, polynomial having degree 2 is called quadratic polynomial. So quadratic polynomial, its standard form is ax square plus bx plus c, where a not equal to 0. For example, x square plus 2x plus 1 minus 3x square plus 2 plus x plus 1, etc. are a quadratic polynomial. Again, next, cubic polynomial. So cubic 1 degree polynomial is called cubic polynomial. So cubic polynomial, its standard form is ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d, where a not equal to 0. For example, 3x cube plus 2x square plus 5x plus 1, again minus x cube plus 4x square plus 3x plus 1, etc. So degree. Again, remainder theorem. Remainder theorem. Let p of x, let polynomial p of x, suppose let p of x be a polynomial of degree greater than or equal to 1, greater than equal to 0, and a is any real number, let p of x be a polynomial of degree greater than equal to 1, not 0, 1, and a is any real numbers. A is any real number if p of x is divided by, suppose p of x is divided by, polynomial p of x is divided by linear polynomial x minus a, then p of a is the remainder. P of a is the remainder. Okay, next, factor theorem. So factor theorem, let p of x be a polynomial of degree greater than equal to 1 if, suppose greater than 1, and a is any real number, one number, x minus a is a factor of p of x if remainder equal to 0. That means p of a equal to 0. 2 number, p of a equal to 0, remainder will be 0 if x minus a is a factor of p of x. Today class is finished.